how to dispute a kayak charge on bank statement. The very first thing that you need to do is identify the traveler provider name on bank statement. Kayak acts as a master search engine that actually charges things that are usually made directly by airlines or hotels. So you cannot actually blame Kayak on it, but instead, like I said, you'll need to identify the traveler provider name on the bank statement. Then you can try to contact the provider listed on your statement, contact the Kayak support if booked via your Kayak direct checkout, and then you can also try to contact your credit card issuer if dispute is fraudulent or something. So I'm pretty sure that if after contacting any three of them, you'll actually be able to dispute this Kayak charge on bank statement. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.